Sunday? Have you got nothing better to do?
We are permitted to start work from 8 AM on a weekend. I mean, we've got to crack on or we're going to get it in the neck from the boss.
Yeah, fair enough we started a bit early, but, you know, I don't see what the problem is.
My son is a lawyer, and this is breaking noise pollution laws. And I'll have you know, there's a family across the road with a newborn, and all this racket is bound to give them a load of stress.
Well, if we're causing them stress, they can tell me. If we're causing you stress, I don't mind starting a bit later. We can ask the client if he's happy with it. That's fine.
Is your client the woman who lives here?
Yeah.
Right, I'll speak to her then.
It's not necessary to bang that hard, is it?
Look, I'll bang on this door as hard as I want. Don't you tell me what to do. I'll tell you what to do.
Mate, she's proper crackers here.
What is going on here?
Mate, just ignore her, just crack on with the job.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
what did you say?
Just tell my colleague to crack on with the job.
I don't think so. You make any more noise and I'm calling the police.
Okay, that's fine. We've got a licence, so we'll work with it. We'll tell them that we're allowed to.
Did you give these men permission to start work here at this time on a Sunday morning? You're absolutely disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourself. Working at this time of the morning on a Sunday?
She's off her now.
Jesus Christ.
Fine. Look, we'll just crack on. Just
Yeah,
ignore her, mate.
yeah.
Just ignore her.
Yeah.
Mate, she's doing one with the ladders. Mate,
What?
she's doing one with the ladders. She's off, look.
Oh my God. What?
She's off, look.
What?
She's done one. I don't, mate, I'm not jumping down there. It's well far. I don't know how we're going to get down. Mate, she's
That
just...
is ridiculous.
She's just off, look.
What is going on?
What are we going to do?
Can't even do it.
Shout the client. Why have you took our ladders?
I'll give you the ladders back if you stop working.
What?
It's not how it's going to work. You just give us the ladders back, or we'll just call the police.
I'll give you the ladders back if you stop working.
How it's
not
going to work.
Oh my God.
Just give us the ladders back. We're stuck on the roof.
Look, I've told you, I'll give you the ladders back if you stop working.
All right, fine. We'll
Fine.
just call the police.
Yeah, we'll just call the police. It's fine.
I'll be at home. Just let me know when they're here.
All right then.
Have fun.
Ridiculous, man. Mate, you're my hero. What did she say?
You know what? She was alright actually.
Yeah.
Just told her that I'll paint her ceiling next week and she was fine with it.